Hi friends, let me introduce a new type of measuring tape. The product is from Themisto. This is Indian based company, and I purchased it of 7.5 meter or 25 millimeter. You can also purchase 3 meter or 5 meter category. It is manufactured by Metalloys Private Limited. Proudly made in India. It is with the smart lock technology. Later I will show what is it. Let's unbox it. Wow, nicely made, very heavy and rugged. This is rubberized and very well built. Now let us look at the smart lock technology. This is the retraction switch, and after measuring, when you push it, it automatically retracts. See what a beautiful technology. Blade is of 7.5 meter. Retraction technology. Very beautiful product. Digits are very prominent. You can see. Blade thickness is very good. Thanks for watching.